Hey everyone, if you want to switch between the front and rear cameras in DroidCam, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to change cameras in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the DroidCam app on your phone and connect it to your computer using either Wi-Fi or a USB cable. Once the connection is active, make sure you can see the live camera preview. Next, look for the camera switch or camera option inside the DroidCam app. Tap it to switch between your phone's front-facing and rear-facing cameras. Yeah, the rear camera usually offers better image quality, while the front camera is more convenient for video calls. After switching, wait a few seconds for the preview to update. If the image doesn't change immediately, reconnect DroidCam or restart the camera preview in your application. If you're using DroidCam with Zoom, Google Meet, OBS Studio, Discord, or Microsoft Teams, the selected camera will automatically be used once the preview updates. There's no need to change any additional settings in most cases. If switching doesn't work, make sure you're using the latest version of DroidCam and restart both the mobile app and the PC client before trying again. And that's it. You've successfully switched cameras in DroidCam. Now you can choose the front or rear camera whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next